Good day, everyone. Learn how to create QR code in Canva. Now, QR code in Canva, you can make it and you can refer your customers, your audience to a particular link or website. And this is why you create the QR code. So open your browser and open the design where you want to create a QR code, and then I'll tell you what we need to do. So this is the design which I have opened, and we just need to scroll down, and here we need to go to apps. So we will look and you will find the app option right here at the left hand side, and we will click on that, and then we need to search QR. That's it. And once you search it, you will get many options, and we need to go with this QR code, and we will click on open. And here it says add a URL. We will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So you can mention your Facebook, your website, or whatever the link you have, like Instagram link or anything, you can enter. So let's say if I just want to give this link to the QR code, and then you can customize it. You can change the background color if you want something different like this, and if you want to change the background color like this, and you can simply click on generate code, and you can see that I have successfully created the QR code in Canva. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can place it anywhere by dragging it down. Alright, so this is how you can create the QR code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and please do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully made the QR code in Canva. Have a wonderful day.